Hey there, is your internet acting up and you're wondering how to fix your TP-Link router? This week I'm here to guide you through the process with simple, effective steps to restore your connection and ensure smooth surfing. A well-functioning router is crucial for seamless internet access, and knowing how to troubleshoot it is essential. So let's dive into the easy fixes for your TP-Link router issues. Step 1. Restart your router. One of the simplest yet most effective solutions is to restart your router. Begin by unplugging the power cable from the router and waiting for about 30 seconds. This allows the router to cool down and reset any temporary glitches. After 30 seconds, plug the power cable back in and wait for the router to fully reboot. Once the lights stabilize, test your internet connection to see if the problem persists. Step 2. Check cable connections. Loose or improperly plugged cables are a common cause of connectivity issues. Start by ensuring the Ethernet cables are securely connected to both the router and your modem. Check for any visible damage or wear. If you notice any damaged cables, consider replacing them. Similarly, verify that the power cable is firmly connected to both the router and the power outlet. Step 3. Update the router firmware. Outdated firmware can lead to compatibility issues and glitches. Visit the TP-Link official website and head to the support section. Enter your router model number and download the latest firmware version available. Access your router's settings by typing your router's IP address in a web browser, usually something like 192.168.0.1. Log in with your admin credentials. Navigate to the firmware update section and follow the instructions to upload the new firmware file. Once updated, restart the router and check your connection. Step 4. Perform a factory reset. If your TP-Link router is still not functioning correctly, a factory reset can help. Locate the reset button on the back of your router. Using a pointed object like a paper, press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds until the router's lights blink. This restores the router to its default settings, erasing any custom configurations. After resetting, you'll need to reconfigure your network settings, including your Wi-Fi name and password. Step 5. Optimize router positioning. Sometimes the router's physical location can affect signal strength and connectivity. Ensure your router is placed in a central location away from walls and obstructions. Avoid placing it near metal objects or electrical devices that can cause interference. Elevate the router if possible and ensure its antennas are positioned vertically for optimal signal distribution. By following these simple steps, you should have a better understanding of how to fix your TP-Link router and resolve common connectivity issues. Whether it's restarting the device, checking cables, updating firmware, performing a factory reset, or optimizing placement, these tips can help restore your internet connection efficiently. Remember, regular maintenance and updates are key to keeping your router and your internet running smoothly. Happy surfing! If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might need it. See you next time with more tech tips.